युगल केशव जीवने मराने गति अरु नाही मोर
Krishna, he was disguised as a boatman, and the gopis wanted to cross the Jamuna, and then he asked a high price, and they said, "This is too much, too much." Then ultimately said, "Anyhow, whatever you want to give, you give."
Taruni mandalam mahite Gokula taruni mandalam mahite.
Then the clouds were there. By Krishna's arrangement, he called the clouds, and thunder was there, and some lightning, and drizzling a little bit of water, and then it's raining lightly, and he's shaking the boat a little bit. Then they're sitting in a boat and they're going around.
Vadana veshe Hari niskota vrindavi pineshe Navashashile ke lalita saki gunaram